So our learning intention today is, can I find the difference in amounts? So I can work out which amount is larger or what change I have left. So if we look at the word difference, it almost looks like the word different. So we're sort of working out what's the difference, what is different from that amount and this amount. What is that different number? What's the difference? Now, to count the difference or find the difference, you count on from the smallest to the largest number. So for example, if we had the difference between 35 and 40p, I would count from 35 to 40. So we would have 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And if you counted that with your fingers, that would show you a difference of 5p. So it's starting from the smallest, counted to the largest.